Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming ordinary items like nails and spark plugs into a powerful, versatile tool for precision soldering. I'm taking a simple nail and inserting it into my drill, securing it tightly. The goal is to create a very sharp, conductive tip. I'll use an angle grinder to meticulously sharpen the nail's point. You can see the sparks flying as I carefully grind it down. This focus point is crucial because it will allow for precise heat concentration when the tool is in use. After sharpening, I'll remove the nail from the drill, and you can see how perfectly sharp it has become. I'm repeating this for a second nail, ensuring both are equally sharp and ready. I'm taking a used spark plug. It's quite dirty, so I'll first clean it with some WD-40, scrubbing it with a brush to remove all the carbon and grime. A clean surface is essential for good electrical contact. Once it's clean, I'll wipe it thoroughly with a tissue. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, to modify it, I'm placing the spark plug in a vise to hold it firmly. Using pliers, I'm carefully removing the central electrode, leaving a hollow metal shell. This modified shell will form part of our tool's body. Let's start assembling our first probe. I'm taking a red electrical wire, stripping a small section from both ends to expose the copper. I'm threading the stripped copper wire from the hollow spark plug that we just prepared and a piece of PVC pipe to make a handle. Then I'm using electrical tape to secure the wire to the PVC pipe. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm taking the sharpened nail and inserting it into one end of the spark plug shell. This completes our first heating probe. For the second probe, I'm using a yellow wire. I'll repeat the same process as stripping the wire to thread it through the spark plug, ensuring good contact. I'll secure the wire around the handle with additional red electrical tape. Now, it's time to create the power source. I have a small capacitor here, which will store and release electrical energy. I'm stripping another red and yellow wire to prepare them for connection. I'm carefully twisting the red wire and connecting them to the terminal of the capacitor. The capacitor acts like a mini battery, crucial for providing the powerful surge of current we need. I'm twisting the wires together to ensure a good electrical connection, which is vital for the circuit to function correctly. I'm also stripping the other ends of these wires, preparing them for the next stage of assembly. I'm bringing the tools we made and connecting them to the capacitor circuit. The red wire connects to one tool and the yellow wire to the other, creating a parallel circuit through the capacitor. It's important to make sure these connections are solid. I'm wrapping some red electrical tape around the connections for insulation and safety. Now, I'm using an old laptop charger as the power supply. I'm stripping the output wires and connecting them to the capacitor circuit, ensuring proper polarity, red to positive and yellow to negative. I'm using electrical tape to secure these final connections, making sure they are well insulated and safe to handle. I'm plugging the laptop charger into a power strip. The capacitor is now charging up, ready to unleash its stored energy. Watch this. When I touch the tips of our two tools together, you can see the bright sparks and feel the heat. This is the concentrated power being discharged through the sharp tips. To demonstrate its amazing capability, I'm taking two simple razor blades and a piece of wood. When I press the heated tips onto the razor blade, it instantly melts and cuts through the metal. This tool is incredibly effective for precision work that requires intense heat. I can even solder this thin piece of metal onto a small battery. Look at the energy from this homemade tool melting and soldering them together. This really demonstrates the versatility of this homemade device. See how easily it makes these marks. Our incredible multifunctional tools made from simple repurposed items. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.